Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change background in Photoshop mobile application using the AI feature. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my phone, and first thing first, we can go to our Photoshop application. And if we want to change the background using the AI feature, we can go to this option. And if this option or this feature hasn't appeared on your Photoshop, you have to update your Photoshop application first. And after you have updated your application, you will get this option on your Photoshop. And then we just need to click on this option and choose a photo we want to change the background. For instance, I'm going to change the background of this photo. Okay, then here we can click on brush, and then we're going to remove the background. Guys, I'm going to increase the size of the brush to make it faster. Okay, and if you make a mistake, you can click on eraser to erase it like this, guys. And you can add the brush again. Alright, and I think it's done. Then we just need to click on replace to replace the background of this photo. Okay, and here we can describe the image we want to generate. For example, I'm just going to write like forest. I'm going to change the background of this photo with the forest photo, and then we just need to click on generate. Okay, and just wait for a moment until the result have been generated. Okay, and here are some results we can apply to our photo. I'm just going to select this one, guys. Okay, and now as you can see that the background has been changed, and if we want to save this photo, we just need to click on the save button. Then the photo will be saved to our device. Alright guys, and that's how we can change background in Photoshop mobile application using the AI feature. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.